All right, guys, welcome back. We are on level 9 of lesson 25. I actually almost started doing this and then I realized, oh, it's an assessment level. I can't do that. So here's what we're going to do. I will read the directions, we'll look at the rubric, and then I'm going to let you guys go and make this happen. So it says change the background with the score. Once you've caught 10 coins, it's time to celebrate. You should change the background to be something fun. Do this. Use an if statement and two separate functions to draw your backgrounds. Then go write your functions outside your draw loop. You get to decide what a simple or silly background is. Have fun with it. All right, so you're going to draw your function, or you're going to create your two new functions down here at the bottom. You're going to put them into your draw loop somewhere. Um, and yeah, this is going to be great. All right, so with that, let's look at the rubric. The rubric, no evidence. There are no new functions in the program. All right, that gets you the F. We don't want that. So we're going to close that. Limited evidence. A function is both defined and called inside the program, but there may be major errors that prevent it from running successfully, or code has been incorrectly placed in the draw loop. So that'll get you a limited evidence. We don't like that either. Convincing evidence. At least one new background function is defined and called successfully inside the program, but may not work exactly as instructed. Code is correctly organized inside and outside the draw loop. All right, so all right, we're getting there, we're getting somewhere. And then here's what we're shooting for. This is the A, this is the 100. Extensive evidence. The two functions are defined and called within the if statement as instructed so that the different backgrounds display according to the current score. Code is correctly organized inside and outside the draw loop, and there are no extra blocks. All right, so that's what you're shooting for. So you have your code. You've actually been working with the same code the whole time. And so now you're just adding one more thing. All right, so with that, I'm going to hush and let you work, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Good luck.